Let's start by looking at what's happening in the world of business now. China has made a name for itself as the quote-unquote factory of the world, producing and exporting a wide range of goods and services. But the world's second largest economy may be facing an existential threat.
Yeah, I think the days of everything was just made in China, I think now it is seeming to change. The country's latest export data suggests a great shift in global trends. China's exports plunged by 14.5% in July compared to last year, falling to $281.8 billion. This indicates that China's post-COVID economic downturn sees no signs of any reversal. Moreover, July was the third consecutive month of falling exports. In June, exports recorded a 12.4% fall. In May, exports declined by 7.5%.
Now, a general decline in global demand due to a slowdown, that's a key reason for the decline in Chinese exports. But a careful look at the export data shows that there may be another major reason here. That is the disruption in the global supply chains due to COVID-19 and the war in Ukraine, and the push towards less dependency on China that has given rise to the phenomenon of nearshoring. This refers to companies relocating their supply chains nearer to their target markets rather than to countries like China to minimize supply chain disruptions.
The effect of nearshoring is clearly seen in China's recent export data. As per reports, Mexico has replaced China as the top goods provider to the US. The US has bought goods worth $203 billion from China this year. That's 25% less than in the same period last year.
Now, this is a significant development as the United States-China trade, it's one of the largest in the world. In fact, the US runs a huge trade deficit with China, which clearly shows the outsized influence of the Asian giant on the world's largest economy. But with companies now preferring to diversify their supply chains, with Mexico becoming a favorite here, nearshoring destination, China faces the threat of losing a significant share of the US market.